Hey guys, it's me, Simply Wendy, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you guys this unit right here by Janet Collection. The name of it is called ISABEL, and I picked it up in the color OET 1B Burgundy 99J. So here is how she's looking like on the stock card. It looks way better in person. The stock card does not do this unit any type of justice. Let's get into the specs on this unit. This unit comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, plus the adjustable strap. That is the parting space that I had to work some, magic on, because that parting space was a little too close for comfort. So I went in and I plucked some pieces out of that parting space and added in my foundation. The texture on this unit is so human-like. It does say that this is 100% human hair premium blend, and it is very nice and soft. It feels like your hair. It would definitely feel like your hair, your natural hair. It would definitely feel like that. So I'm really liking the style of this unit. It's like a nice cute unit for the spring and summer. I'm really loving the tight curls that this unit has. It's very pretty. Very pretty. It feels extremely natural. I haven't experienced any shedding with this unit, and I haven't experienced any tangling with this unit, but I know that the tangling will come, because this is not a unit where you would need to put any type of comb or brush to it. You would just have to finger detangle this hair, so it definitely will tangle on you when you wear it. So this is ISABEL as a middle part, and I didn't think that I would like it as a middle part, because when I tried it on with the lace and without the parting there, it didn't look right as a middle part. But now I am loving it as a middle part. Okay, ISABEL. Okay, ISABEL, you're about to be put in rotation. You are about to be put in rotation. So let me give you guys a 360 on this unit. Let me know what you guys think of ISABEL, keep saying ISABEL, down in the comment section below, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys. It's me, Simply Wendy, signing out.